What's going on, YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we're journeying out to Sedona, blah, blah, blah. Super cool secret spot, and we got a whole crew coming today. They don't talk. Thank you.
What's going on, YouTube? I do talk.
That's all he says on repeat.
What's going on, YouTube?
All right, we'll see you guys out there. This is where you are instead.
Oh, so sorry. What's up, YouTube? So we're back at it again. Alex and I from Present Moment Photographs.
We got a whole crew here, man. Don't forget about the crew.
I know. I won't forget about the crew.
Little A-roll for you.
We were sitting in the kitchen making enchiladas, and we decided, you know, what a great night for a sunset. So Alex is here struggling away on Schebly Hill Road. Sorry, he's championing, but it's probably one of the worst roads I personally have ever seen. But the view, I mean,
it's immaculate.
If you guys haven't liked and subscribed already, just go ahead and do it for this one. But we got the whole crew with us. They decided to jump in with us. Say what's up.
What's up?
We got Christian, the intern, in the back. He's been promoted from intern, actually.
And at least you're famous right now. Smile. Wow.
Fan favorite here. Thank you for having me.
We're getting close to the spot. We're gonna go up there. It's gonna be fucking sick. And yeah.
Here to the top of Schebly Hill Road, really the bottom, I'd say. It's been a journey, but we got Christian up there climbing, the drone up there, Alex flying.
It's a sick shot. Hello there, I'm flying. It's Alex with Present Moment Photographs, as you should already know if you've been watching the video. And we're at this absolutely epic spot as you can be. And it's sick, and it's epic according to this random guy we found on the top of the rock.
What's up, random dude? Oh wait, he's our intern.
Apparently he needs a ride home. I don't know if we trust him though.
I don't know either.
All right, YouTube, thanks for watching the video. We've got an epic spot, as you can see. I mean, oh, OMG. Shooting a nice time lapse, doing some little breathing on the rock, and just experiencing the views down there. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.